Champions, there are 3 ways to win the game. First, you checkmate the opponent. Second, opponent runs out of time. And the third, opponent just resigns. But there is also the 4th way. You might be losing, you have only 1 rook and the opponent has lots of pieces, but you have confidence. You just stand up, you look at her, and then she resigns. It doesn't matter who is your opponent, all is about confidence. You just confidently stand up, and if there is a confrontation, that's it. Even if your opponent is bigger and looks angry, it doesn't matter. You just confidently stay and look at him.
Okay, just 3.